Now this is what our old Hoover wet SteamVac cleaner looked like. It's still in good condition. Just needed a couple screws attachment. I was doing some repairs. It's got a lot of plastic parts on it, but now I decided just to buy the newer one. Save all this hassle. But you know, I might dump this out or whatever. But still, it's a good vacuum for the carpet. And I bought this in 1996, like I said, and it was good. It lasted a long time, but it leaked. I had some problems with the spray hose connection. It's attached to this, and you know, it came apart here, just dismantled. I tried to do a little innovative part. There's a lot of plastics in there, like this here tube here. You just have to get it sealed again, put a rubber with a washer on there. The hose was attached to here. So a lot of things of it was pretty practical. A lot of it was you know, was useful just for a period of time because it was built of plastic. Here at the end, the hose end had a problem there. There's a leak. So it lasted for its time. Like I said, it's in you know, fair condition, but I think we upgraded it because we needed something to be used right now, and so that's why I bought the Hoover XL.